Utah. Some places may see gusts of up to 55 miles per hour, and that could cause problems for drivers. ABC4's Jared Giottanini is live in Chihuahua County with more on what some of those drivers can expect. Jared.
Well, we're at the Flying J rest stop in Lake Point Bryan, where over the past few hours, the wind's been blowing pretty strong and consistently. It's prompting concern for some truck drivers.
We just pretty much talked it over this morning.
John Castro discussed the red flag warning in his morning meetings.
Just look out for the warning signs.
Our Pinpoint weather team says it means much of the state is experiencing 30 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts, prompting concern for Castro and other truckers.
Making sure that the stuff that we go ahead and put in the truck doesn't fly out.
If I don't feel safe, I'll shut it down. I'll wait. There's nothing in that trailer that's more important in my life or anybody else's life.
Safety is the #1 concern.
We go ahead and just stop right away. We call our dispatch, let them know. We pretty much can feel it ourselves as we're driving. It starts rocking pretty hard. So
if it's high winds, you don't have any weight, slow it down.
This afternoon, truck drivers are taking it slow, and Castro urges other motorists to do the same.
We give each other plenty of space just to be safe in regards to the rollovers or braking distance.
Now, our Pinpoint weather team expects those winds to really pick up over in the overnight hours, so not only be mindful while you're out on the roads, but homeowners should also anchor their garbage cans or other household items that could fly away. Reporting live in Lake Point, Jared Giottanini, ABC4 News.